All right, y'all, so our first stop today on the University of Tampa's campus is my favorite place on every campus, the Vaughn Center. Now, the Vaughn Center is the student center here, and it also is home to Residence Life. The building has 9 stories. Also, it is home to the University of Tampa bookstore. Also, it has the dining hall. You have an outdoor patio, and this is where you're going to spend a lot of time with your friends, maybe in between classes, where you're going to eat at, all that good stuff. So there is a lot to see here, so I'm going to just stop talking and show y'all what the Vaughn Center has to offer here at the University of Tampa.